Virginia Commercial Repair Solutions fixes restaurant appliances in Fishersville. Virginia Commercial Repair Solutions has launched commercial restaurant appliance and HVAC maintenance solutions, including emergency repair services. The company aims to provide quality repairs, replacements, and installations for restaurant equipment, heating and cooling solutions, and boilers. Virginia Commercial Repair Solutions is equipped to repair any appliance brand on the market and services a wide range of equipment. The company advocates repairs before recommending your appliance be replaced. Pricing and explanations of any problems and potential repair options are provided up front. The company provides free quotes. The company's repair services are available 24/7. All calls are answered by a manager or owner at any time of day, and same-day service is available. Go to vcommercialbots.com to find out more.